everybody. Here we are out on the bee yard. It is Friday, March 8th. Intention is to go in and see if there are any live bees inside. If so, we're going to feed them. Okay, we've got them down in there. We've got bees. I don't know if they're all alive. Oh, honey, this doesn't... Oh my gosh.
All dead.
Oh, guys, here's our testimony. We've lost our first hive. Oh, sweetie, I think they are. I do think they are. Scoop out that top load. See, just throw them. Oh, what a shame. See, it's just dead bees, filled with dead bees. Several live bees right there. They're on the outside. They're apparently using the back door as an entrance. Okay, moisture board, yeah. And here we go with the inner cover. This is our Nook hive. Oh my goodness, and they are in need of food. They've eaten most of a patty. They're probably all the way through their good package hive, and would you look at these little guys. We had put a patty in. They're busy eating it. We're going to add another winter patty, and then we're going to add a pollen patty. Pollen patties are important at this time of year because it'll actually help queen scanning. Open up the outer cover. We open up the moisture board and the inner cover, and oh my goodness.